Hello, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever at the time that you are watching this video. Welcome to Monetary Buying Gameplays video. Now we're going to use the English version from Monetary Gameplays. I hope you enjoyed this video and understand what happened with this task that Paycode will give us. So we're going to see. Spring cleaning is the name of the task. How we're going to make this beautiful task? It's easy, my friends. We're going to see the rules. Okay, which are, we go back here. Use tools, clear cells, collect bonuses, and get the main reward. Find these items in the field. Spend search energy to use the tool. If empty cells fall into the range of the tool, the unused energy will be returned. So we're going to use the first tool is going to break only one box, then the driller go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells, and the saw we're going to make 9 cells. Okay. If you find a newspaper, this is an impenetrable barrier, so we go forward. The box, this barrier can be destroyed with one strike. The case is that this barrier can be destroyed with 2 strikes. The special chest, to remove this block you need the key to small chest. Okay. Finding special items chests help citizens and get special rewards. So we're going to start, and this is a city that isn't started yet, but I'm going to use to make this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, let's see. Let's go on. So we're going to use the first tool, who going to use 5 green energy. You will cost you 5 energy. The driller costs you 25 green energy, and the saw 40 green energy. So you have here 200 of green energy, and you're going to claim free 100 search energy every 20 hours. So we're going to use this to break the boxes. So we're going to continue here. Going to start it, and now we're going to talk about the rabbit. Let me a second. I'm going to break for you with this tool, only one, to see. As you see, it's only one that you use to break it. Oh, look, in the left I have more green energy. Let's break it, this 1 and 2. Okay, now we're going to see that we have here a coin, mouse from mouse eyes. This coin is very important because we're going to use to buy in the event store, wherever you want to buy here, or you can to expect to have 300 coins to buy this beautiful garage sale. So whatever you want to do with the coins, you can spend it here, or you can wait to buy the garage sale. The coins serve you to win the prize. Look, these beautiful prizes here. Now the city who I borrow from my friend, it's in 26th place. So we're going to see now which is the prize she's gonna win if she continue in this way. Oh my god, there is no prize for her. Okay, don't worry, she's going to continue playing this, and then she's going to have a beautiful prize here. So let's continue. Let's gonna use the driller. How use the driller? You put it here and broke all the line. As you see, they are broken, and those aren't broken because they need to shot so well. Now we're going to use the saw because I want to show you how to use the saw. As you see, the saw broke in a square way, so we're going to use here and break it. Okay, So, oh, hello, rabbit. Okay, let's see what her rabbit wants. Hi, rabbit. What do you want? Oh, he wants here what you can get a bottle hat when you collect profiles from family house. So please, rabbit, show me where is the profile house. He's here. Oh my God, I only have one here. So we have to buy another's and another's in order to have a lot of residents, and we can um, we can take more and more, and then we're going to take here to take from here all we need. So I want to advise you about this. You must to have more and more houses. For example, this family house, I need to have around 10 at last, and then I want to take from here what I need to the rabbit. So well, it's impossible to make the rabbit he wants. So if you want to spend here super books, or you can to go forward. So we're going to forward because sorry rabbit, I don't have it. So the rabbit is not going to give me the coins. Oh my God, I'm so sad. So well, whatever. Okay, we're going to continue here broken cells because I want to show you how to change here. Oh look, here on my left I got 10, 12, no 12, 11 and 11. So we're going to change this in the help request. I'm going to create here 5 tickets. So as you see, the line, the blue line is going get to the first prize. So okay, when we finish the 9 help provided here, we're going to have the prize, the large lemonade kiosk. So until you have the 9 task, you're going to have it. When you finish the line, you don't going to have it. You will have it when you finish all the rewards. So as you see, we have 3 lines here, and we have to finish all these tasks to get the first prize, then the second, and then the last. Okay, and until the last, you're going to have the large lemonade kiosk. So we have 11 days to finish all these quests. It's very easy, it's very funny. You enjoy it. You must enjoy it. Only enjoy it, and you have a really good time playing Supercity, my friends. So if you have a questions, you can put below the video your question. Please put it a beautiful like in this video. And I mean, that's all for today. I hope you understand my Mexican English. I hope it. And I hope you like this beautiful video, and see you next time. Bye.